Hey guys, how are you? Uncle Dan here again from Central Park on a beautiful spring day, absolutely gorgeous. And I just want to tell you this about becoming a commitment machine. And I want to talk about, the way I want to do that, I want to talk about the fear of commitment. We hear about that all the time, right? And here's why it's so important to understand how all this bolts together. Because again, I'll look you right in the eye, I'll tell you, you have unlimited personal power. And that power is derived from your ability to articulate commitment. Here's the problem. When you articulate a commitment and you declare what you're going to do, and you commit to something fully, the minute you declare that you're going to do something, you open the possibility of failure. And that's the thing that freaks people out. When you commit, I'll give you an example. When Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence, and all the founding fathers got together and declared we're starting a new nation. Guess what? At that instant, the nation was born. Yes, in real time, at that very instant, the nation was born. But at that very instant, it also created the war. So when you declare what you're going to do, you invent the possibility of failure. I'll give you one more example. When I was turned 55, I declared I was going to become a triathlete. And after my first season, I declared to my coach, I want to make Team USA. And I said, when I said that, he said, okay, let's do it. And now my ass was on the line, literally, because I declared I was going to do it. Now, the minute I said that, I'm too old. I don't have the time. I don't have the money. I don't have what I need. I'm not fast enough. Right? So in the first year I failed. In the second year I failed. In the third year I failed. In the fourth year I made it. I was able to achieve my dream and become a member of Team USA. Right? And so you have to, and I finished, I put this little side note in. In 2011 I came in 6th place in the whole world in triathlon, which was something extraordinary for me. But here's the point. You got to be able to put out your declaration. You got to be able to declare what you're going to do, knowing all the while that the minute you do that, you give birth to the possibility of failure. That's the game. And the more you practice making commitments every day, the stronger you get at that, the less the fear comes into the picture. It just kind of evaporates. Peace. Check us out on molloysales.com.